Yo, this is MTV Cribs, yo. Let me show you my pad, people. Walk in. Smells good, smells good. Check out the mansion. That's the bed. That's where all the action happens. You know me, you know me. Little candle there. Make your little room smell nice. My closet, where I can hide people. Or just everything that was on my floor to make my room look clean. If I have people over. This is my bed. My TV, where I always like to watch MTV. This is my computer. Hello. My beer. Good beer. My shoes. Freaking no person that's cool can't be cool without these shoes. These are con shoes. And this is the bed. This is the bed. Very nice. Do you like? Sometimes things get a little risque, and I have to use my rope to tie people to the bed. And we must see my car. You want to see my car? My car is nice. Hold on. Here's my car. Might look small, but it's fast. There's my car. My car is fast. It's cool.